The alimentary canal extends from the mouth to the anus. Here the food undergoes various stages of transformation. The teeth grind the food to make them of the same size. The food is wetted with saliva from the salivary glands to make the travel down the canal smooth. Enzymes act as catalysts to break down the food into molecules. Salivary amylase, an enzyme in the saliva, breaks down starch, a complex molecule, into sugar, a simple molecule. Food in the mouth is mixed thoroughly, using the tongue, by the chewing process. The food is pushed down using muscles which are in the lining of the esophagus canal. It is taken into the large stomach along the food pipe or esophagus. Food is further mixed in the stomach, with digestive juices from the gastric glands, secreted from the wall of the stomach. They release hydrochloric acid, pepsin, a digestive enzyme, and mucus. The acid facilitates the action of pepsin, while the mucus prevents the acidic liquid from harming the stomach walls. The sphincter muscle facilitates movement of the food in small quantities to the small intestine. This is the longest part of the canal, and its length differs from animal to animal. Herbivores, the grass-eating animals, require a longer intestine to digest the cellulose than the carnivores, which largely eat meat. The intestine is where the digestion of the carbohydrates, proteins, and fats take place. It receives secretions from the liver and pancreas. The food from the stomach is acidic, and it should be made alkaline for the enzymes of the pancreas to act on. Bile juice does this. It also breaks down the fats into smaller globules to increase efficiency of the enzymes. The pancreatic juices has enzymes like trypsin and lipase that break down fat. Thus, all the juices of the intestinal glands break down the proteins into amino acids, carbohydrates into glucose, and fats into fatty acids and glycerol. The intestinal walls have finger-like projections, called villi, that take up the digested food that get distributed throughout the body via blood vessels. The unabsorbed food is sent to the large intestine, where the walls absorb the water, and the rest is removed from the body through the anus. This is controlled via the anal sphincter.